Hello everyone, welcome again to Kindergarten 1 Phonics class, and I will be the teacher again. I am Teacher France. So today we are going to have a new topic, and it's about the sound of letter R. Okay, so this is a new video and I hope you continue to follow after teacher, okay? Okay, so tell me again, what letter do you see? Okay, letter R. Good job. So let's say it all together. Let's say letter R. R. Okay, and the phonic sound of letter R is, let's say it together. Let's say R. R. Okay, like a tiger, you say R. Okay, so let's say R, R, R. Okay, so again, let's review. Letter R, R, and sound R, R. Okay, so that is what we are going to learn in this video. We're going to continue to learn about the phonic sounds, and this time we're going to learn about the phonic sound of letter R. Okay, so I hope you continue to follow after teacher. And here I have two pictures of, what is this? One is a rabbit. Okay, so number one, let's say rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Okay, so let's sound out the sound first. Your turn. Okay, rabbit, rabbit. Okay, rabbit, rabbit. Okay, so again, let's try that. Rabbit, rabbit. Okay, very good. And how about number two? We have a rose. Let's say it again. Rose. Rose. Your turn. Okay, let's make it 4 times this time, okay? Rose, rose. Okay, again. Rose, rose. Okay, good job. So try to practice on your own at home. Try to practice saying the r sound, okay? Okay, so I have 2 more pictures over here. Okay, can you see that? Okay, number 3. What do you think this is? You eat this every day. Okay, we have rice. Okay, let's sound out that S sound as well, okay? Rice. 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 Okay, your turn. Again. Okay, again. Rice. Okay, very good. And number 4. I like this one. Do you like this toy? Okay, we have a robot. Let's say it again. Robot. Okay, so let's sound out robot. Robot. Your turn. Again. Okay, so let's make it robot, robot, okay? Robot, robot. Your turn. Okay, again, let's say it one more time. Robot, robot. Your turn. Okay, very good. I hope you are following after teacher, okay? If you can replay the video again so that you can practice. And now I have an activity for you. I have here a picture that has 4 items? I have here, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items. And let's say, what is this? It's a peach. Okay. And what is this? It's a rose. Very good. And how about this one? What is this? It's a robot. Very good. And the 4th one, what is this? It's a quilt. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So first off, let's sound out their sounds, their phonic sounds. Number 1, it's a p, peach. Very good. Number 2, it's a rose. Very good. And number 3, it's a robot. And number 4, we have quilt. So, I want you this time to find out who has the r sound. 2 pictures that has r sound. So, first, let's review. Tell me, does this have the r sound? Peach? Okay. So, how about this one? Does this have the r sound? Rose? And how about this one? Does this have the r sound? Robot? Okay, and the number 4. Does this have the r sound? Quilt? I'll give you time to think. Which one of the 1, 2, 3, 4? 2 of them, okay? Which ones has the r sound? Okay, and the right answer is, okay, these 2. These are the right answers. Number 1, we have rose. And we have robot. Very good. I hope you got that right. So teacher will ask you again about this one when you come back at school. So I want you to remember the letter R and the R sound. Okay? Okay. So I have a review since we were able to learn about the P sound, Q sound, and R sound. Let's review about these 3 pictures. Okay, so the first one, tell me, this activity is, tell me what sound or what letter is the picture, okay? Okay, so let's start with number 1. What do you see? Okay, it's a panda. And number 2, what do you see? It's a rose. Very good. And number 3, what do you see? It's a quilt. Very good. So teacher will help you find. Okay? So number 1, it's a panda. What letter is the panda? P. Is it letter R? Is it letter Q? Is it letter P? What do you think? P. Okay, it's letter P. Very good. Let's say it together. P, panda. Letter P. Okay. How about number 2? It's a rose. Rose. What letter is the Rose. Is it letter Q? Okay, is it letter P? Or is it letter R? What do you think? I'll give you 2 seconds, 2 only. 1, 2. It's letter R. Rose. Letter R. Very good. All right. So let's move on to the third picture. Number 3. It's a quilt. What do you think is the letter for the quilt? Is it letter R? Quilt. Is it letter P? Quilt. Or is it letter Q? Quilt. Okay, so it's letter Q. Quilt. Okay, there. So I hope you are following after teacher, and in the following videos, I will give you more activities about these. Okay, we will review, and review. And in your home, at home, I hope you are reviewing as well. Repeat the video. If you cannot follow the first, you can watch it again. And you can follow this one with mommy and daddy at home if they're not busy. Okay? Alright. So I hope to see you again here at Westline. So that is all for this video. See you in the next video. The letter R part 2. Okay? Okay. So that is all. Goodbye. Thank you.